Hello and welcome to MATHEMAGIC. In our last video I had asked a simplification question, which was, question of the day is, simplify 4 cube plus 4 cube plus 4 cube plus 4 cube. Your options are as follows. Option A 256. Option B 4 to the power 4. Option C 2 to the power 8. And option D is all the above. Baliram Swami is our new subscriber who had given the correct answer. Well done Balaram, stay connected and keep learning. If you are new on our channel, do subscribe it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. We will simply write the value of 4 cube, which is 64 at all 4 places. Now we can directly add them. And hence it becomes 256. Which is option A. Let's check another options too. We can clearly see 4 to the power of 3 at 4 places. So we can take it common, therefore it will become 4 to the power of 3 bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now we can write it as 4 to the power of 3 into 4. Which can also be written as 4 to the power of 3 into 4 to the power 1. Now we have to apply the identity a to the power m into a to the power n, which is equals to a to the power m plus n. Hence it will become 4 to the power 4. Which is option B. Now let's check another option too. In the last step we have simplified it to 4 to the power 4. We will start from there only. 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. Therefore it will become 2 to the power of 2 to the power 4. Now we have to apply the identity a to the power m to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m into n. Hence it will become 2 to the power 8. Which is option C. Interesting, isn't it? Hence, we can clearly see that the correct answer is option D, which is all the above. Hope it will be helpful for you. See you soon in our next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.